If you're a Honda Civic owner, chances are you love your cruise control. But what if it suddenly stops working? Let's break down what's going on. First, check the basics. Is your check engine light on? If yes, your Civic's computer may have turned off cruise control as a safety step. You'll need to read the error code or see a mechanic. Next, make sure you're driving over 25 miles per hour. Cruise control won't turn on at lower speeds. Also, check your brake lights. If a brake light bulb is out or the brake switch isn't working, cruise control will not engage. Step on the brakes and see if the lights turn on. Sometimes a blown fuse could be the culprit. Look in your owner's manual for the cruise control or brake fuse location. Replace if needed. Don't forget the clutch switch if you drive a manual. If it thinks the clutch is pressed, cruise control stays off. Finally, if all else fails, your cruise control switch or wiring could be faulty. That's when it's best to visit a trusted mechanic. So, next time your Civic's cruise control lets you down, start with these checks. Simple steps could get you back on cruise. Fast.